Hey there and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through a super useful process, how to quickly find and use beautiful free images right inside your Figma project. By the end of this video, you'll be able to enhance your designs without ever leaving Figma or stressing about complicated downloads or copyright issues. So whether you're working on a website mockup, app interface, or mood board, you'll soon be adding visuals with ease. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open up your Figma project. Now, anywhere in your canvas, just click your right mouse button. It honestly doesn't matter if it's a totally blank spot or somewhere near your existing designs. Once you've right-clicked, a menu will pop up. Hover your pointer over the Plugins option. Figma plugins are amazing little tools that add extra power to your workspace, so we're going to use one to make finding images super simple. From that Plugins menu, select Manage Plugins. This is the area where you can browse, install, and even update all kinds of plugins for different tasks. Think of it like an app store, but just for Figma. In the search bar that appears, type in Pixabay. That's one of the most popular plugins that gives you access to a huge library of free-to-use, high-quality images. There are other options too, but Pixabay is a fantastic starting point and really easy for beginners. Once you spot the Pixabay plugin in the list, just click Run. This part might take a moment as it loads up. When it's ready, you'll notice a neat new window or sidebar pops up inside Figma. This is the Pixabay plugin, and from here you can search for any kind of image you need. Think beach scenes, office desks, or even something as specific as blue sky with clouds. Type your keyword into the search box and hit enter. Give it a few seconds, and you'll see a gallery of free images matching your search. All of the pictures in Pixabay are legally free to use, even for commercial projects, which is really reassuring if you're nervous about copyright. When you find an image you like, just click on it. Almost instantly, that image will drop right into your Figma canvas, ready to adjust and place wherever you need it. If your design calls for several images, let's say you're building a photo, grid, or mood board, just repeat the search and click process a few more times. There's no limit, so add as many as your project requires. You might notice that sometimes pictures are pretty large. That's totally fine, just resize them as you would any other image in Figma so they fit neatly into your design. If the plugin window gets in the way or you want a bit more space, just close or minimize it. You can always run the Pixabay plugin again later if you need more visuals. And that's really all there is to it. By using plugins like Pixabay directly in Figma, you can save loads of time and keep your workflow super streamlined. Don't worry if it feels a bit unfamiliar at first. The more you use plugins, the more natural it'll become. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you have any questions or if there's another Figma plugin you'd like me to cover, drop a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical design tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching and happy designing.